Hello, in this quick video I want to show you how you can create automatic replies on WhatsApp using make.com. So for this, for example, I'm going to show you this case here, okay? We have a customer or like a lead that's reached out to our website with this message, which is always the same message that we're getting, okay? So what I'm going to go is I'm going to use notifier system by WhatsAble here on make. Sorry. And then we're going to put as the trigger when we receive a message, okay? I'm going to get the API key here from my account. I have already connected my WhatsApp business with it. It's an official WhatsApp API. You click here on connect with WhatsApp. You then connect here on step 2 and you're able to connect your WhatsApp business right away here. Okay, anyways, I have my API key. I'm going to click here add. I'm going to put WhatsAble our support number. I'm gonna put my API key, put it here to keep things organized. Okay, save. All right, now I'm going to put a filter here. Oh no, sorry, here I'm gonna put another notifier step, which is send a message without template, because we were replying to an incoming message. I don't need to create a template, so I'm gonna put WhatsAble support number. Okay, and then I say so we have a few parameters. This is very useful also if you're doing kind of AI bots, but we're getting a few parameters here. We get the last message sent by the user, the phone number from the person that sent us the message, which I'm going to put as the number to reply to, the name they have available on their WhatsApp, and then we can also see the last message that we send, the last message that they send. We get a conversation paragraph, which is really like a paragraph of the whole conversation where it says user said this, then the bot said this at this specific timestamp. So this can give context to any AI. And then we're getting a type of message, like if it's a text only or if there would be an image. If there would be an image, you would be able to get the image from the attachment URL where we kind of store the image. And then we also get the times of the last time the user message and the bot last time message. And then you can add 2 different node fields in case you want to save information about that person and use this to process more information. And then we can label that conversation or we can schedule messages. Okay, I'm going to just reply with a simple text message. I'm going to say hi, and then we can use the recipient name. Thanks for getting in touch with us. Where do you need help with notifier system? By the way, here's the link to our site. And then we can put the link to the chat, to the console. And then we could put more things, but that's enough for now. We're gonna save this, and now we're just gonna put a filter. I want, because I have a lot of people contacting me with the same pre-filled thing from our website, so we're gonna put only if last message from user, sent by the user, equals to hi WhatsApp team, I need help with your automation service. Okay, we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna save this here, turn it on, and we're good to go. And now we just do here, we call it differently, so auto reply to website contact homepage, and that's it. That's how you can create auto replies, and you can create more complex things based on specific words and all that stuff, all using the notifier system by WhatsAble. Highly recommended. And if you have any question, let me know. Thank you.